So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal, Associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you Delhi High Court's recent decision in which Delhi High Court basically declines to order complete ban on sale of acid. Why so? Let's find out in this video. And basically in this case the Delhi High Court also calls for stringent penalty on illegal sale. What happened in this case? The Delhi High Court on Thursday refused to impose a complete ban on over-the-counter sale of acid in retail stores in the national capital. The name of the case is Shaheen Malik versus State of GNCTD through Principal Secretary and others. A divisional bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Sanjeev Narula said that a total ban on the acid sale could have unintended consequences affecting sectors where acid is responsibly and safely utilized. Therefore, striking a balance between public safety and the legitimate uses of acid for industrial and other regulated purposes is crucial. Acid serves various legitimate uses and applications in different industries, and a blanket prohibition could inadvertently affect businesses and individuals who require it for lawful purposes. The court in this case said that, and the bench was dealing with the plea filed by an acid attack survivor named Shaheen Malik, seeking a ban on overall over the counter acid sale of acid. Malik also sought a repeal of the amendment of the Delhi Poisonous Possession and Sale Rules 2015, which permit sale of acid in licensed stores. So that's all about our discussion. See you on the next video with some more information.